Hey everyone, this is Dennis, aka Stock Operator. I'm gonna make a quick trade recap. So let's start with QS. No, actually, you know what? Let's start with the first trade on Mara. Had an idea on Mara potential is a sell-off continuation, but we didn't have shares to short. There's possibility of a retest due to fact that already whoever wanted to short this name already in from this day. So we possibly could have a bounce and squeeze of shorts a little bit. So I took this after a big volume coming in, candle over candle, 1 minute or B above some couple of levels, partial into the strength. Actually, the last partials right at the high 23.75 important levels from the prior days. And yeah, that's how I played that one. So the next one I took, I think it was Twitter. I tried twice Twitter. The first one I tried, you can see here at the value area, value high, it didn't work. Then I looked to buy after a reversal candle. We actually penetrated point of control from the daily chart, from the hourly chart. So I took after reversal candle long, then added more, then partial into and partial and took the last partial, the high of the day, kind of before this dump, and left a lot of money on the table. Should probably not a lot, but I had a little bit left there. Should probably stick to it and let it play out towards 49 because of the value investors. I think it's an overreaction on this name with the Trump news. It offers pretty nice bounce opportunity from 45. We just push 4 points upside. Pretty nice deep buying area. So the next trade I took NIO. No, is it NIO? Yeah, let's talk about NIO. So I took NIO shorting here and then made a hotkey mistake, added short instead of like partialing. And then like, oh man, I gotta get out. So took partial and the break even, didn't lose any money. It's just hotkey mistake, that's fine. The reason shorting this name, it's overextended up a lot. The question is, who is buying here? Right at the open. This is the weak hand. Right at the open, the push for the 5-minute opening range breakout, it's going to be a weak hand because the smart money doesn't want to buy at 66, 67. So it's a weak hand buying, and now they underwater, and possibly we're going to see a breakdown. They hoping it's going to hold this view up. They hoping. Well, guess what? We're about to break this trend line. That was a good call, first initial short, but then you know what happened. So Tesla was on watch. The idea here, overextension, potential short on overextended stock. We had some levels here, 837, 816. You see the window. I actually got out right at the bottom of the window. Those levels are magic. So missed the first entry shorting into this Viva breakdown because of the rejection of some levels here. I missed that opportunity, but took it low of the day and this couple levels breakdown, partial into the prior 3 levels as you can see, and from that you can play the scalp. Scalp always has to be around technical levels, not in the air somewhere you think that's a level. Always some important key levels. All right, and then I took QS. The reason I took QS, look at NIO. Similar scenario. Look at Tesla. We have this trend we broke. Similar scenario. So many stocks kind of reacted the same way. So I'm like, okay, I kind of screwed up this one. The time here was 8:42. The time on QS 8:45. So sometimes stocks lagging a little bit. Not all stocks following the same time, right? The market dropping. Sometimes you can have 2-3 minutes, and that's your opportunity. I see the same pattern. Plus, QS actually had multiple rejection here. Well, let me try and test it. Took it partial towards 53, key number, key level. The 53, see that level? That's a point. I'll bring this one. You can see this. On QS, that was important level. That was a point of control on from the last pretty much 6 days, 5250 point of control. So it makes sense to get out something there. And that's my recap. That's how we traded. Again, this is my probably last day of paper trading, getting into these good habits. It's not about the money, it's about the process right now. Once I get that feel for the market, get my fifth senses sharpen it, and then I can actually jump in and start trading, day trading and scalping with real money. That's a smart way to do it. To everyone who takes break from trading or who actually have issues, you got to get to paper trading. You got to build that, discipline and habit. Anyway, that's my recap. Thank you so much and trade safe. Take care, guys.